Uh-oh.
What team are you going to be, red?
Where'd it go?
I did it.
What's Blake doing? Why is he putting him on his head?
Don't put him so far back. Put right there. Yeah.
Oh, you do this. Put a jelly on your head.
No, like this.